You betcha, huh? Was there a bed truck in there?
Yeah, they're just talking about the consultant trying to figure out where the shacks are gonna go. Motor 47. Yeah, you'll see down the whole road where my trailer bottomed out, and I was just at low the whole time, ripping up the road.
Grading the road.
Oh, pretty much.
It's the same lease where we took those sand cans to?
Yeah, you bet.
Alright.
Loaded at 2 on the R5. We're pulled over here waiting for you to get by there, Lewis.
Oh, it's definitely soft.
Just a pickup, but there is a low boy, I think, about a click behind me.
Okay, I think we got enough room for a low boy to get by us here, so we'll wait.
Yeah, I'm just coming past 3 here. Thanks, fellas.
That's no worries.
Really watch that road. There's culverts and shit sticking out. I got a dozer trying to fix it, but I don't know how much you can do for the intro.
Do that, thank you.
Where's our culvert
You guys got a
sticker?
cat coming at you, grading the road, so just super cool.
Roger. 2 empty heavies, 4 on the R5.
Anybody else find their fellas? Copy that.
Grading the road. Ooh. Felt that. It's like driving over a fresh pipeline right away or something. Of course, this is all put in the winter. This is the result.
Loaded low boy 2 on the R5.
Oh, here's a sweet wide spot right here. Whoops.
Pick up new control.
I'm gonna get a little bit of that noise for you guys. 2 Empties, 5 on the R5. Just want to make sure I hear the radio, that's all.
You guys are good for a while now.
Hey, thank you, sir.
This is barely a road. Just some clay pushed up. Give you a high spot. Bottomed out. On my seat. Here's that sweet downhill and bit of a switchback and straight up the hill. I thought we were gonna get to go down that tow-in road that we got. The bed truck and that tow tractor were pulling us down that sweet ravine. That was at like 51 and a half or 50. Somewhere in there, whatever. This turned off 52. Look at all, this is mint. Some dust in my brakes. I got rally car brakes. I love how they put the culvert right in the middle of the corner of the post. And that is soft. Oh. Empty low boy on the Wolf at 0 for 2. Holy. Drop a few, why don't you?
Load and take us there to the
Mixture of powder puff, soft clay. Sucks.
Longer 24 loaded.
It was all that like ballast rock before. That's all punched out. Some of it's down there. Oh no, I'm getting smell dust.
Oh boy, clearing R5 on the Metro. Kilometer 23 loaded.
Two empties, one on the Wolf heavies.
Loaded fit, on the Metro.
It's like, no. As soon as you shift, you get a soft spot. Why couldn't we went straight there? Why do we gotta make a corner? If you could look down from above, this is the giant set of balls on the shaft. Oh, punish you. Holy. Jane Fonda. Just put on my seatbelt. It's kind of punky looking wood. empty heavies too on the Wolf. You would not be coming in here in the rain, I'll tell you that. Soft back there. Coming in. Just about there. Gonna be at like 3 and a bit on the Wolf, maybe 4. Yeah, I'm at 3.
Then there's 2 empty pickups shortly behind the boys.
Kizat. There's a fucking big rock in the middle of the road. What is it? Bro? Left the fucking bomb there. Dragging your winch line. Oh, the flat top's on my ass. Switch over. Switch to real time. Beep. Tisn't one of ours. It's good because I'm like, get some action shots while I'm coming in. It's not even our guy.
2 empty pickups at 3 on the Wolf.
Should be a couple of pickups behind there, 2 or 3 maybe.
just right behind the dozer.
Still on this one?
I'm on this one.
Derek's taking a shack up on the far side. You can just still put it right in that hole, and that second truck can go right beside you.
Roger that. Go this way like I'm going?
Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna have to move it anyway.
Okay. D-Rock. Early shift. Got 4 extra planks on this tub if you think you might need them.
There's just one pickup behind us, and then you should be good to go there, boss.
Is that Cody? Thanks, bud.
Cody can make it on this one.
I'd say you probably pull up beside Gerald. We'll get a hoe over there to unload you right away.
Copy that.
If you guys need me for anything, I'll be on Brawler 3.
Roger that.
Loaded old boy, leaving location Wolf 4. I think that's the tool push, yeah? I mean, that's the tool push. Maybe I'll go talk to him. Give me a second. Finally get some fucking guidance here.
Where are you going? I was gonna go in there. Switch to Brawler 3. Time did you leave this morning there, Derek? 12 a.m. You didn't think that was funny. That is not centered quite. We'll have to adjust that a little bit.
Barely made it.